Hello, Paula. You asked me when I type in choose advisor, I get a message data type mismatch in criteria expression. Let's see what it is. Here, for example, I have a query. Do you see here is a query? And one of the query members, her name is Rachel. And imagine that I want to create a parameter query to ask me to choose a name. Therefore, I come here and click design view. And here is first name. I know Rachel is here. And I put a bracket here and I type first name, for example. That is what I want the people to see when they when I run the query. Now it says type first name. Here I have to type the first name of the advisor, which is Rachel. Most likely you to have typed here something different. Maybe you have typed first name here, or something else. If I type exactly the way it is, here you go, Rachel, and then click OK. Do you see anything related to Rachel is popping up here? And therefore, my guess is that you have been typing something either different or maybe you didn't put bracket. But let me know if it solves. If not, we will find out. It should be very simple issue to resolve.